The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck, finished in a bright white color, stands out with a bold and futuristic presence that feels right at home in this luxurious, modern showroom. The clean, angular lines of its stainless steel exoskeleton are complemented by polished floors and ample natural light, which reflect off the truck's body to enhance its striking visual appeal. This particular model has been modified for an even more refined look, with subtle changes that amplify its sleekness and modern identity. The rear view has been enhanced with updated LED tail lights and a smoother, more sculpted tailgate, offering a clean and distinctive finish that emphasizes both form and function. Underneath its sharp exterior, the Cybertruck continues to deliver Tesla's hallmark performance. Equipped with the tri-motor all-wheel drive system, it boasts lightning-fast acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds, an incredible achievement for a full-sized electric pickup. It offers a towing capacity of over 14,000 pounds and an estimated range of up to 500 miles, making it as capable as it is efficient. This level of power and endurance, paired with advanced suspension and adaptive air ride features, ensures the Cybertruck can handle anything from rugged trails to smooth urban drives without compromise. The interior is a blend of futuristic minimalism and practical luxury. The cabin feels spacious and inviting, with seating for up to 6 adults and a wide, panoramic glass roof that floods the space with natural light. The materials are eco-friendly yet premium, with soft touch finishes and a clean dashboard design dominated by a large, responsive touchscreen interface. This screen controls everything from media to navigation and vehicle settings, offering an experience that feels more like a high-end tech product than a traditional vehicle. Ambient lighting and modern design elements further enhance the atmosphere, creating a balance of comfort and sophistication. Every element of this modified 2025 Cybertruck has been carefully considered, from its aerodynamic enhancements to the distinctive white finish that catches the eye under showroom lighting. It merges rugged utility with modern luxury in a way few vehicles can. Whether you see it as a statement piece or a functional powerhouse, this Cybertruck is a clear reflection of Tesla's continued commitment to pushing boundaries and reimagining the future of electric mobility.